Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys Birchbox. This is the first Birchbox I ever got. This is February's. And I did get a free gift, which is also in the box here. So I will go ahead and show you everything that I got. This is a $10 subscription every month. So, but if you're looking for like makeup, this is not the box for you. This is more hair care and like skin care. So anyways, let me go ahead and hop right in this. Alright, so my free gift was a Stella Stay All Day eyeliner. And excuse my other swatches, they're from previous videos that I just recorded. So that's the Stella liner, looks really good. And then this is a mini Stella glitters in kitten, which there's not a lot here, so I'm not going to swatch this. But I'm like obsessed with this stuff. I love this stuff, so. Anyways, moving on to the actual box itself. I got, let's see, the Beauty Crop Wing Woman. Looks like an eyeliner. Let me open this up. Show you guys. Please excuse any coughing you may hear in the background. My kiddos are sick. Okay, so I just got this open. Yikes. Oh my gosh, this is like not wanting to go. Okay, good enough. So it looks like a pretty nice one. Kind of dried out. So that's that right there. I'll have to play with it a little more. And then I got from R & Company Park Avenue a blowout balm. And then a shampooing hydrate shampoo. Like I said, it's a lot of skincare and hair care. This is the conditioner. I guess that goes with the other shampoo product. It's just a sample, like a small sample. This is a color correcting primer. And then a Hydrate Intense, it's a rehydrating serum. So that's what came in this box. Now, it's not bad if you're looking for stuff like this and you're not looking for makeup type stuff. They do send like one or two like things, but it's not anything like Ipsy. So if you're looking for more makeup, this is definitely not the box for you. There's no wait list. I got this Stella stuff just because it's the code that I put in. But overall, the box is okay. It's not like fantastic, anything to like really go over. So I don't know. I may or may not continue on with it. We'll see. I'm still kind of debating. I don't know. I might use some of the products and see and kind of go from there. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this here. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the Pomeranian if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Love you.